What is up, team? Chuck with Traders War Room, and I'm back at you with another video. Listen just to your Tweaky Tuesday video, and I got a fantastic one for you. But what I need you to do right now is hit that like, share, and subscribe button, and I need you guys to come along with us on the journey and check that description tab out. Tons of tools and tidbits to make you a more successful trader. Now, if that sounds good and you're ready to rock it with me, then all I got to say to you is follow me, and let's go to war together. Traders War Room, let's get it. As always, let's check out some recent alerts that made us some money. Ended up closing out full position on our CVS put. Guys, this was a fantastic play, and as you can see right there, coming in at 136 and closing out completely at 249, that was definitely more than $100 per contract, killing it. Following the negative sentiment on Twitter, we went ahead and got with the $41 puts and definitely made some decent money on this. Have a couple runners still left open just in case it decides to go down a little bit further. And our swing trade on Oxy, guys, this was a killer move, okay? We knew that this was gonna hit hard with the Berkshire Hathaway type of news. We went in, got in at 125, and we started trimming and closing out at 195. We left 4, moving the stop loss above break even, and now this is a risk-free trade, guys. It doesn't get much better than this. And if you want fire alerts like this on the daily, come get some with Traders War Room. Join today. You can find all the information out about our trading platforms right at traderswarroom.com. All right, here's a picture representation of the S&P and how it closed. As you can see, a sea of red with some pockets of some green around there. Picture representation of your heat map broken down by industries. Guys, energy leading the way and real estate taking the big dump of the dumps. We still got some earnings coming up that got us interested. Closing out the week, we got some Petco, we got some Salesforce, some NVDA, Affirm, Peloton, which of course that one is our YouTube trade that we put in the other day on Sunday. We went ahead and got on that Monday. You also got Ulta and Dell. Definitely interested to see how this week ends up closing. Hot news, guys, I need you to get used to aggressive rate hikes and stop counting on the dovish Fed pivot. Market pros warn. So stock market investors should forget about the Federal Reserve pivot and get used to aggressive interest rate hikes, said several market professionals who see no signs in the central bank pivot. And this is echoing our sentiments that we've been talking about on Traders War Room. We all love a bull market, and I get that. However, we got to be able to trade in any market, and that's why if it's a bear market and the trend's going down, we trade the downside. If the trend's going up, we trade the upside, okay? Doesn't matter, we can make money in any market, and at Traders War Room, we do just that. So what's hot and what's not? Let's go ahead and look at some stocks. And here's your top trending stocks, and thank you Stock Twits for providing this. We're going to talk about some of these charts here in a moment. First, as always, we're going to talk about SPY. I think this continues to go down. We're going to break through this previous support level, and we're going to head a little bit lower before we start to see probably some resurgence. And of course, there'll be some rally days, but I do think that we continue to go down at this particular moment. I'm actually going to put a bull case on this one. I like NVDA for a surprise on earnings and a jump to go at least back up to a previous near recent high to retest it. Now, to be fair, this may not happen this week. However, I am within a 2-week period. I do think that we see the rejection at a support level and continue to climb higher. This name got all sorts of muddy water on it, and I do think that we continue to go to the downside on this particular ticker. All the legal things going on with this, no one wants to buy into this stock currently until there's some for sure guidance and we got a clear picture of what the future looks like. I actually like this one for continuation to the upside. I think we've been down enough, and I think that we do fairly decent on earnings, and we pop up to go at least test the previous levels of resistance at the top. Chart looks like it's good for continuation to the upside. I think we could see a nice little push on this particular ticker. Fire in the hole, I think we go down on this one, and at least going down a little bit to test some of that support at the lower levels before potentially a rejection. It is a popular ticker. It does have some great future guidance on this one. However, I still think that we got some downward pressure and we just have a little too much to reverse currently right now. I'm actually going to put a bull case on this one. I think we continue to the upside. I think we find a rejection point and we start pushing along to make a new recent high. Bullish now more than ever, guys. If you're not in oil and energy stocks, you need to get you some, okay? I would consider taking out leaps on some of your favorite energy tickers and pushing them out at least in the 2024 some time frame. So I'm looking for some decent energy and oil trades, pushing out some longer contracts on these, but I'm bullish as hell on these for sure, going on specifically on the ones that like to move, like XOM, Oxy, CVX, and some others. I'm actually bullish on this ticker. I don't think we can go much lower. I think we find the support down at the bottom, get a rejection, and we start pushing to the upside. I actually don't like to trade Chinese stocks very much, but this one got me interested since it's already down, it's beat up so bad. I think it has nowhere to go but up, so I'm definitely a little bit bullish on this one compared to some of the other ones. I don't think it'll make a dramatic move to the upside. However, I think they do fairly well, and they'll probably surprise some numbers and forward guidance, and I think it'll pop a little bit. And finally, our YouTube play that we got into on Sunday, and actually we got into it Monday, but it was put on the Sunday video. I think nothing but to the upside for this particular one. I think they're just going to surprise people with their new business program and the way that they're going to handle business with the forward guidance. And I think they're going to start getting some investors excited in this particular ticker again. And this was the ticker that we got into, guys. I bought in mine at 140. Of course, you can see I'm down about $8 currently when I took this picture. However, I like this one to ride into earnings, and we'll be looking to secure in the next couple of days. All right, team, that's it for the main video. Next up, hot upcoming Traders War Room products and services. Want a simpler platform to make money with real-time buy and sell alerts? Try Traders War Room Instant Messaging Alerts. 2 rooms, guys. You get one room, it's the alerts channel where all the alerts come through, and you get the lounge where you can connect with other members. It doesn't get much more simpler than that. You get the same high quality buy and sell alerts that make people money without all the confusing dings and pings and all the other channels and stuff from other platforms. Definitely, if you want a more simple approach to receiving those buy and sell alerts that make money, try us out. Struggling to become consistently profitable? One of the biggest DMs I get from people is that, hey Chuck, I was really successful at first and now I've lost everything, and maybe even lost a little bit more than I was initially going into. Well, we can help you with that, guys. Book one of our one-on-one mentoring sessions and allow us to help develop your skills, give you that confidence you need, receive that guidance, refine your strategies, gain pro perspective, and explore new plans of attack. Sometimes all it is just a little tweaking of what you're doing already and just making that plan and strategy perfect for your particular trading personality. So try us out today. Every session is recorded, and you receive that recorded copy for a tool and a reference. We're huge on knowledge at Traders War Room, and we believe that every battle needs a battle plan, and we want you to build yours with Traders War Room. Take one of our upcoming classes or get onto our repository historical classes and see what we offer. Various topics, various strategies, various techniques, all taught by professionals. Guys, you're not going to find a better deal for the content and quality that we put out there. Check us out. You can get more information at traderswarroom.com. And if you're serious about trading, then you need to take our Traders War Room Options Fundamental course. This is a formal course, just like you're going to a college, university, in a virtual classroom, 6 weeks long, 2 classes per week. We got a professional site manager that runs it. We got a professional instructor. Guys, the registration is open. Class starts for this iteration on 30 August. You can learn more at traderswarroom.com. But if you're serious about truly wanting to learn how to make money for a lifetime, this course is a must. And don't believe me, real testimonies from the graduating class of our first iteration. Each one of these people went in, came into it, and gained a wealth of knowledge through the iteration and the 6-week course. This lady right here is even a teacher. She's a real life teacher, and she said that our virtual classroom rivaled that of their online education platform. It doesn't get much better than that. If you're serious about wanting to learn, then come join this class and come get some. And guys, with so much to offer at Traders War Room, the one question I have for you, if you're not a member, why? From the real-time buy and sell alerts to the live trading, bell to bell, every day the market's open, the one-on-one mentoring, the trading classes, the fantastic community, there's truly something for everyone and every type of trader on Traders War Room. Come get some, come quit wasting money that's not making money, and come trade with the Traders War Room Bulls. And from all the staff at Traders War Room and our official Battle Buddy Rocket, we want to say thank you guys for taking us along with your trading investing journey. We look at the stock market like a war zone. Stocks and sector are our battles we do together as a team, attacking, conquering, destroying, and we're always going to war. If that's something you can get down with, then all I got to say to you is follow me and let's go to war together. Here's the links to some of the hot topics we talked about. Guys, we're serious about our business at Traders War Room. Come try us out, come trade with the Bulls, and come get some.